Time for our next guest, and that's going to be Jarrett Lilien, President and Chief Operating Officer at WisdomTree. Jarrett, congratulations on the release of the new ETF here that we've got going. Give me your breakdown. The excitement has been out there for a while.
Yeah, it's very exciting and a long time coming, and I guess it was worth the wait. But this is the way you do it. Something new like this, it's got to go through the right reviews from the regulators and so on. You have to make sure the structure is right. And here we are. So a lot of work and an exciting beginning.
Ticker symbol BTCW is this. Now, does this ETF approval, I know it took longer probably than a lot of you guys have wanted, but is this kind of give you guys legitimacy as far as this as an asset class or a product that you're offering due to this approval from the SEC?
Well, it has certainly become an asset class and something that people are very interested in. And, at WisdomTree, we view our business as providing the best structured, transparent, access to various asset classes. So this is just consistent with what we do. It's really about making sometimes things that are hard to access, hard to trade, make them more easy to access and easier to trade. So this is really our business model, and this is something that a lot of people have interested. And so this is a great opportunity to be able to satisfy that demand.
Yeah, it creates that diversity basically as far as asset classes and diversification here at that point. But now you guys aren't, this isn't your first rodeo as far as crypto assets and managing that. You guys had the first Bitcoin ETP in Europe in 2019. So you guys are familiar in this space, right?
Yeah, and that's something, in Europe, we also did the same thing, worked with the regulators, made sure that everything behind the scenes worked really well. We've got 8 crypto products in Europe with about 500 million of assets in those products. So, we do have experience in this. We've got a deep library of research and education materials. So, yes, not our first rodeo, and just happy now that we're able to also do this in the U.S.
Give me a little bit of insight on your WisdomTree Prime app. So you guys have other, blockchain-enabled financial products that you guys offer, correct?
Yeah, and that's important. I think, the thing on a Bitcoin ETF, all of us, any of us could have bought Bitcoin before. We just would have had to have gone to and opened a wallet and gone to a crypto exchange and done the trading and figured out our own custody, whether we were going to have someone do it for us or hold it ourselves. So it's all been available. And really the ETF is just a sort of an access case. It's about giving those of us that don't want to go that extra mile to set up all those new kind of accounts. And now you can own it in your regular brokerage account or through your advisor. But we have another initiative because ultimately we think there's even a greater access case. There's a greater use case, and that actually is blockchain-enabled finance. So you referenced WisdomTree Prime. That is our own wallet that we have launched now. It's live in over 33 states, and we hope to soon cover the whole country. But there you get extra benefit because in that wallet, you can hold things like Bitcoin and Ether, but you can hold digital gold, digital dollars. And we also have 13 SEC approved digital funds. And this really seems to be the future. WisdomTree, many people view us as an ETF provider. We don't view ourselves that way. We're in the business of providing the best structured, transparent exposures in the marketplace. We think ETFs are that today. We think tomorrow's best structure is the digital wrapper. And so WisdomTree Prime to us is really the next frontier and is really part of all of this. Very exciting. a lot of change coming in financial services, as it always does. And we're happy to be on the forefront of those changes.
All right, great rundown here. BTCW is a ticker symbol. Congratulations, Jarrett. Have a great weekend.
All right, thank you. You too.
All right, that's Jarrett Lilien, President and Chief Operating Officer at WisdomTree. But